Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by collecting what matters. A 3V lead, CR 2032 or AA pack, a small switch, thick paper or cardstock, glue and tape. Cut a paper rectangle to your shade dimensions, leaving a 1/2 seam. You want a snug fit. While you cut, strip LED leads and test with the battery so you know polarity. Once done, fold the edge into a clean seam and secure with glue. This creates the basic tube that will become the lamp shade. Now make the shade diffuse light evenly. Score parallel lines and pleat or create cut patterns so light filters softly. You attach the LED to its battery holder. If you have more than 3V, add a 10-220 ohm resistor. Otherwise, tape is fine for low voltage cells. Route wiring inside the seam you left earlier, positioning the LED at the shade's center or clip to an inner ring. Make sure the switch is reachable. Test the circuit. If it lights, you can proceed. Finish by gluing a cardboard base and optionally a top ring to hold the LED centered. Use a small dab of hot glue to fix the LED, but avoid covering its lens. Place the battery and switch in a pocket or removable tray so you can replace cells easily. Once assembled, test for steady light and minimal wobble. If the lamp is dim or flickers, check polarity first, then secure loose wires and try a fresh battery. That one fix resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.